My name's Rob Bird, I'm the General Manager of Building for Boutique Homes, and I've been with Boutique Homes now for 7 years. I love the fact that we get to build beautiful homes for people and the pleasure that you see on people's face when you hand over the keys to them. At the end of the day, we realise that building a home is the biggest investment most people will make, so we simply don't compromise on quality. It's ingrained in all of us, and the difference is in the details that you can't see. At every stage of the build, so from slab to frame, lock-up, fix and final, we utilise the best materials. We offer a 25-year structural guarantee, and it's extremely important that we get that part of the build right. Once a job goes to site, customers have direct access to the site managers. At any point in time throughout the build, customers can contact the site managers and organise a site meeting. All our site managers are required to do a thorough and extensive quality check. To complement that, we have independent quality auditors as well. Once a client signs off on the home, our relationship doesn't end there. We offer our clients a 12-month warranty period. Statutory, we're only required to give 3 months. However, we do know that there's 4 seasons in a year, and we want to make sure when we do the inspection, the home has had time to settle, just to make sure that everything is spot on. We're very proud of our team of dedicated people who simply care. They're really passionate about delivering high quality homes to our clients, and we'd love for potential customers to come in, have a look at our display homes and see what quality of home they get if they chose to build with us.